welcome back to my channel. So I am going to show you all my nighttime moisture routine, so just stay tuned.
Good morning. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
I think it's been a while since I showed y'all my moisture routine. I can't remember last time I showed you, but you know, my moisture routine changes depending on the season. And it's colder now since it's December. Even though today it did warm up a little, but it's still not like summertime heat or nothing. So yeah, I just went through my skincare routine. If y'all want to see a video of my skincare routine, well, another video of my skincare routine, just let me know, because that changes too, depending on the weather, well, depending on the seasons. And my nighttime skincare routine differs from my daytime skincare routine, well, my morning time. And also, my skincare routine changes up on Sundays and Wednesdays because that's the days I exfoliate. So if you want to see my skincare routines, just let me know. So we jump into this Loc moisture. Yeah. The first thing I'm gonna do is to wet my hair. And this is my mist bottle. I got my mist bottle from Amazon. I love it so much. I love this bottle, y'all. Make sure you get those ends of your hair. For sure, for sure. I'm gonna find it. Now make sure I get the back. Alright, look at that. Next, I apply my moisturizer. This is the Locs moisturizer. I use a little bit of this. I use just a little bit. I don't use a whole lot. I use about this much. That's all you need. Rub it in real good, and I add a little water in my hands to it so it can. And I just apply it in my hair like this. All right. See? So yeah, this right here, y'all, it works so good and it smells amazing. Next thing I'm going to do is add my coconut oil. I got this one from Walmart, I believe. It's the non-GMO and it's the unrefined. I can't remember if you're really supposed to use refined or unrefined, but either way, my hair be moisturized, so I'm not tripping. So I'm about to lock all this good old moisture in with my coconut oil. Okay. What I used to do is set it in some, like run some really hot water in my sink, fill it up, my sink up, put the stop in, fill it up, and set this in there for a little while and let it liquefy. That's what I used to do, but I don't do that no more. I don't go through all that. I just let it melt directly in my hand, and voila, look at that. And I just put it in my locks. And now that my locks are thicker and longer, I take it section by section when it comes to applying my moisturizer. And when it comes to applying oils and just moisturizers in general, I always, it looks like that. I don't know what they use, but oh well. Okay, let me get my scalp together, y'all. a little flaky. I don't know why. Ooh. Oh, that's this. Okay, that's what that is. It's coconut oil. Cool, cool, cool. I ain't tripping. Alright. Let me get this scalp together, y'all. Oh, I put too much on my hand. But I'm about to put some more on and go in and try to get my scalp some. Oh, y'all. I hate that. This is the one thing I hate about when I stopped letting it melt in the sink, is that right there. But it's going through massaging my scalp a little bit. I don't know what my scalp looked like. I didn't think it looked like that. Maybe. I don't know. I think that's the coconut oil flakes that it didn't melt just then. But yeah, I'm trying to massage my scalp some. Feels so good. I want to give me a scalp massager at some point. That's what I need to be doing. Alright, and then I like to go over with a last little layer of water, just sprinkle here and there. Ooh. Oh, I got some water in my eye. Now I'm just gonna, okay, make sure, does everything feels coated? It does. See, the thing is, how I know when I wake up in the morning, my hair gonna be so soft, y'all. My hair be so soft in the morning when I do this routine right here. That's why when that line locks ran out, y'all, I was sad because I'm like, that's a big part of my routine. But that's fine, I don't have it because the coconut oil does what it's supposed to do. So it's no big deal with that. Look at that, baby. Moisturize. Alright, now I'm about to put my bonnet back on. Quick check. Okay. Put this bonnet on. Y'all, if you got locks, get you a long bonnet. Even if you're in a start lock phase, cause I think these same bonnets I had it my start lock phase, like really, because them long bonnets, baby, I had to stop using the short ones like within 2 weeks to a month of my lock journey because it was stunting my growth and it had my locks balled up at the ends. Baby, I couldn't do it. Get you a long one so your locks can flow and grow. You need a bonnet that's gonna grow with your locks and tell your locks, look, this is what y'all need to do, you know? Cause you don't want nothing stunting your growth. You ain't got to. And then when I ordered these off Amazon, had like 3 in a pack, I believe. See, it's long. See, it's like really, really long. And my locks stop, what, right here now? Yeah, my locks stop right there now. I remember my locks used to be like way up there. That is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop it down below. Let me know what you do to moisturize your locks, what products you use, and if your routine changes depending on the season. So, that's it. I'm glad y'all stopped by. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you know every time me, your girl, the Curl Rabbit, uploads a new video. And make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. That's in the description box. So, I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. Have a good night.